Hey there, it's Jason here from 4XPipSnager, and today is August the 6th, 2012. Anyway, let's take a quick look here at the setups. Here is our red line, our 10 o'clock GMT, which is 3 a.m. in the morning. And as you can see, our opportunity to sell it would have been right here, okay, which was before 3 o'clock, and the stop would have been very small. It went down about 44 pips. So since we missed that opportunity in here at 2 o'clock, which is 9:05 GMT, as you see on that little description thing, once I put my mouse on that bar, okay, you could have got in here at 10:15, okay? That was your first retracement back into the trigger line. Your second retracement was at 3:45 in the morning, okay, to sell it again. Then if you tried this time, okay, which was after 4 o'clock, it was not successful. They put in a bottom, and I think there was divergence present probably there, and it went the other way. Anyway, then it came back down, and there was no entry in here because we were too close to support. And as you can see, they bounced off support, then took it up and changed direction. Okay. Then in the U.S. session, basically, once the filter turned blue, which was over here, you could have bought a dip here and in here and here. Okay, but that was past our time to trade, obviously. Okay, so anyway, that's for the 5 minute. Let's take a quick look at the 1 minute. We'll scroll back in time to 2 o'clock in the morning, which is right here. Okay, so right here, we would have had support right there. There was no trigger of a trade there because it bounced off support. We needed to break through support. So it did it there, but it was after our entry time. So there was no trade there. However, was there a trade here? Again, there wasn't because there was only 3.5 pips from entry to support. So there was no trade there either. Doesn't look like there was a trade anywhere along here, and our window of opportunity passed. So if you just did the trade anyway, well, you did okay, but there was no setup because we did not have 10 pips from our entry to our nearest support level. Okay, let's take a look at the Swissy, which is the opposite of the Euro. We had a couple dips to buy. Then if you bought this one, well, you got in trouble. Then in the U.S. session, the only place you could have sold it was in here and in here, which was, again, past our time of trading. So the only two real trades was here and here, just like the euro. Just the opposite. You were buying instead of selling. Let's take a look at the pound. Now, the pound was a nice setup. Had some nice sells in here, here, and here, and here. So you had some good sells all the way down. Then finally it ran out of steam, put in its bottom, probably divergence here, and it went the other way. And there was no setup to buy here or here. The filter was still red. Okay. And then too late in the day, right here we had a blue filter and it shot up quickly. So there was no trades. So there's no trades in the U.S. session, but in the U.K. session we had a whole bunch of retracements back into the trigger line to sell short. And that's it for the video for today. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you tomorrow.